Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So, a winner unboxing. Can you guess what it is? 2 boxes. I think you can almost guess it. Yes, I always get winner unboxing from this company, and it's been 2 years or maybe even more that I do not buy any this. I do not buy any of these. Already 2 years. I do not go to this part of the place. Shopping in this part of the place is non-existent for me. Oh, that's a good packaging. I don't think I will reuse this bag. This bag is good. I will reuse it. Did you guess what it is? V start with a V and followed by I. Ready, set, go. Yes. Yes. Da, 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 da. Vivaia. Vivaia. Oh, look at it. Wow. Oh, that goes with my bag. The other bag. It looks quite big, right? Let me try it. Oh, this is so comfortable. Wow. Yeah, it's very comfortable. And I usually have a sharp edge. I mean, I usually have this pointed toe. Sorry, you see my socks. I usually have pointed toe, and this one is round toe, and it's very, very comfortable. Yeah, very comfortable. There is a little bit of heel, just teeny tiny little bit, and very soft. Oh, I love it. I love this kind of shoes, and it looks quite elegant. Let me try both of them on and have a walk inside. Give me 1 minute, okay? Let me walk. It's very comfortable. Very comfortable. A little bit large. A little bit. Teeny tiny little bit. But maybe because it's cold, so. But it's very comfortable. Very comfortable. Very, very comfortable. Very. And this is smooth like silk, very comfortable. Tomorrow I will do an outfit of the day with my red bag. Okay. I am happy. Vivaia, they always send me from time to time. They have their campaign and send me one. And I have more than I can deal with already. But it's a pretty... It's a good product, very comfortable. Let's see this one. Are we ready for it? Ta, 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 ta. Oh, look at it. Oh, look at it. You know, what? Can you guess what it is? C'est un petit chaton. The cuckoo. I got it because of cuckoo. They have cat, they have a dog, 萱萱, petit 萱萱. I need cuckoo, so I have this one. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, I love it. Now let me try this one. This one is this they call it a loafer, or a little bit even more rounded. Let's try it. Oh my goodness, it's even more comfortable. You cannot imagine how comfortable it is. Oh my goodness, this is so comfortable. Wow. Wow. Oh. It can be good for climbing mountains. It can be good for walk in the rain, and yeah, and it's washable. After some time, you can wash this one also. Yeah. Oh, this is so good. That is it. Okay, you have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful evening. Tomorrow or sometime later, we will try it. Okay? Don't you like it? Don't ya? Don't ya? Oh, this is so pretty. Goo-goo. That's a very long goo-goo, n'est-ce pas? A big, long goo-goo. Bye-bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Yeah. They provide it for me for free, so you better see it. And you get a discount and referral link under the description. Okay. Bye-bye, friends.